Welcome to this 20th tutorial in this series on HTML and CSS. In the last tutorial we made 3 divs and we assigned them a border, some margin and some padding. What we're going to do in this episode is I'm going to show you how to align things horizontally, because as you can see in HTML the default is to stack all of the elements vertically. Well, that's not good for us because there's a lot of wasted space, especially on a screen size like mine. There's half a page where there's nothing on it. So what I want to do is make these elements stack up horizontally. So to do this we're going to use the float element, or the float attribute I should say, and we're going to float to the left. I'm going to copy that, tidy it up a bit, save it, come back over here and refresh. As you can see we've got the sports, and then to the right of that we've got gossip. You might have noticed though that politics is still underneath and it's stacked vertically. You might be wondering why this is. Well, when you float it, it can only float as many elements that will fit on that page, and we've got 2 500 pixel divs here and there's not enough room for a third div, so it moves it below. And if you have a smaller screen than this one, let's rearrange the browser window. As you can see, again, everything's stacked vertically. If I make that bigger, there we go, it's back to horizontal again. If you had an even bigger screen than this, you could even fit all 3 elements onto that page. So what the float element what it will do is it will float everything to the left, but only if there's enough room on that page to do so. So if you have a bigger screen it might display all 3. If you have a smaller screen it might just display 1. But that's basically how the float element works, and how you can fit a few elements on this page, and how you can align things horizontally. There's a few more ways of positioning and how you can get it so it doesn't move onto a new line, but that's going to be for a future tutorial when we talk about positioning. This is just a short one just to show you how you can use the float attribute. I hope it was easy to understand, and I hope to see you in the next one.